Double YFL. Anthony Lino, me girl say, box a rubber, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Box a rubber, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. You remember this girl from Kingston? She just call me, say she want the king's son. Me drink some roots, me never drink rum. Me tell her the kitty she fi bring come. Now she a request the work, no income. And she don't get test, no symptom. Have me wife, but she still a get fling down. Put it on hard, make rubbaz and skin bun. He book her in the city some years back. Too stiff titty, them time that she no wear locks. Book her in the car over the gearbox. Have it 2 foot on the dashboard in her earmarks. Slam me cheek one like she get beer back. Squeeze her throat, now she want get the beer back. Pop down, we no play that. So when you see the Rasta man, you better wear black. And bring her box a rubber, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Box a rubber, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. See? She got the kitty every man a dream about. So me live up in a that like me dream house. No kissy even though she have a clean mouth. Big broom make she ball and scream out. Man straight Rasta no go the lean route. She say me love it make she want be me queen now. Puff the chalice blow the weed out. She say tell Billy me a the real goat. Rasta no in a slackness. Full of girl so we na feel back fist. I be a hotness pan the rassless. She say push back cause she got this. Flexible yeah, she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice. She say me a the first man ever match this. So me make she scream out like a actress. Box a rubber, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Box a rubber, she no want no flowers.